Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer XRP from Robinhood to Tangem Wallet, full guide, for 2025. If you're holding XRP on Robinhood and want to move it to a more secure hardware wallet like Tangem, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Tangem wallet is set up and ready to go. Download the Tangem app if you haven't already, create a new wallet, and verify your identity if required. This step is crucial because you'll need the wallet's address to receive your XRP. Once that's done, jot down or copy that address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so handle it carefully to avoid any mistakes. Next, log into your Robinhood account. Navigate to your portfolio, find your XRP holdings, and select the withdraw or transfer option. Robinhood might ask you to enable withdrawals if it's your first time, so follow the prompts to verify your identity again. This is for security, so it's a good thing. Now, enter the Tangem wallet address you copied earlier as the destination. Double-check it for accuracy. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Specify the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Hit confirm, and Robinhood will process the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. Once initiated, the XRP will travel through the XRP ledger network, which is usually pretty fast. Finally, head back to your Tangem wallet app and refresh it. You should see your XRP appear shortly. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a few minutes and check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like XRP Scan. And there you have it. Your XRP is now safely in your Tangem wallet. This step boosts your security and gives you full control. If you run into any issues, reach out to Robinhood or Tangem support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more guides, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay crypto savvy.